Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong machine. Today we are sending our 2-ton power complete wood pellet production line to India. This production line including an rotary spinner, pellet burner, 80 meters length rotary dryer, pellet machine 132 kilowatts, pellet cooler, packing machine and all connection conveyors. Behind me is our rotary screener for separation the stone and bigger size wood chips sand from sawdust. This rotary screener capacity 2 to 3 tons per hour, and the rotary drum diameter 1.2 meters and length is 2 meters. And inside the sieve we fit with 20 millimeters hose for separation the bigger size material. And after separation you get clean sawdust, and the sawdust goes to the following equipment like a dryer and a pellet machine. So with the clean sawdust there is no damage to the following equipment. So this is an high efficiency separation equipment. Okay everyone, if you like Longze equipment, please send your inquiry for our rotary screener. Trust Longze machine, trust Longze quality. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.